Hi everybody, and today we are going to continue our um, little script with to take a screenshot from a web page. You know you got a web page. Let's go to the Apple's web page, Apple iPhone. You got this. If you want to take a screenshot of this, maybe you could go somewhere, but we don't want to do it like this. Want to do with Python, and I found the script of Chef Python 3. You gotta install Chef Python 3, and remember that it works with Python 3.7. And if I let this script run, you see I have the Apple here address. If you want to take this or maybe something else, let's just take this and put into this URL variable, and I run it with Python 3.8. Doesn't work with Python 3.7. It works, and you see I got not the just until 1 2 3 3 here. If you go here, you see it's not that big because I stopped at 1 3 let me close this. I want to show you that is 1 2 3 3, and I can make it if you want to more the of the page. Of course you gotta go deeper. I don't know how much is this. If the 1 2 3 3 is, let me go here, you see, okay, and let's make it 10,000. It's quite big. I don't know, it will take some time. There we go. So you see it now. I think it's not everything because it's even bigger. Let me go to the end here. We didn't get there. So it's even more than 10,000. Let's go 5th. I don't know if I can go. Okay, now we reach the end here. Maybe something it's not. We're missing some images. Maybe you see these images are not there, so it doesn't work. So doesn't take all the images because why? Let me see. What kind of images are this? Okay, these are perhaps generated in some way. So we don't have everything. You see that we don't have these images. If I change and I go here, I think this one will work better. You see here I got all the images, so those images are probably different in that other page. If I go here and save this link, okay, this one takes all the images. So for some sites it will not work probably. Okay, but now let's see if we can make a graphical user interface using this script. Let's call it screenshot 2. So first of all, I wanna check out how this one works. What is the... Okay, we go into main and see what happened. Check version. Okay, font-class, etc. Command line argument. Initialize, create browser, chef message loop, shut down. Screenshot path that exists. Off-screen rendering requires windowless rendering enable option. Okay. Switches. CPU acceleration is not supported, but so must disable it using these common switches. Okay. And tweaking OSR performance. The full frame rate is 60, is 30. Switches. Disable GPU. Enable being frame scheduling. Disable surfaces. Message loop, I think, is what print script chapter. Opening screenshot with default application. Open with default application. Let's go to this. Start with Darwin process open. So process open start file. So process file. Render handler. Okay, open with default application. well, here this should be the, so this is a def main, and this should start the thing here. So yeah, screenshot path. The screenshot path is here and is here. Path join, etc., etc. Viewport URL. Path join your name file. Screenshot and yeah. Okay, so I think that def make screenshot. Let me try it. If I run this, okay, so it didn't made it. It didn't made it, but maybe I cannot. There we go. So when I trigger this, it does what it has to do, but well, there's no need to do this. I think I just have to simply, this solution is more simple than one here. Okay, I'm gonna do clear this, then import Tkinter as tk entry equal let's make the window and an entry, and then let's back it and root dot main loop, and entry dot bin return main lambda x dot main URL, right? So let me URL duplicate this, then URL video send JetBrains screenshot, etc. Okay, and let's just do this like this for now, see if it works. So and low root main loop tk capital letter. There we go. Okay, now just go https:/apple.it. URL is not defined. Yes. Okay. Entry.get and https:/apple.it. Don't know if this is Viewport size is not defined in 121. 101. Global viewport size. Let me duplicate this and bring all areas. Yeah, and let me copy this thing here. Let me v equal tk dot string var text variable equal v. Yes. V dot set this and entry dot focus. Need a capital letter. Enter. URL is not defined in 106. So URL screenshot path is not defined. Screenshot path. $127. 27. Oh, right. So we don't need, I think, this. Enter. Okay. I think now we're good. Yeah. So we got this little tiny thing here, but I want to also add the width and height. So site name. Yes, and I don't want to write all this stuff 3 times, so I'm gonna make a function here, widgets, and I want to see la text, and then yeah, no. Variable and yeah. So you wanna make widgets and site name, and then and set variable. Then I want to put the width that must be that was these two things here. And width and height. Set variable and lab text. Okay, set name, width and height, and entry bin, return, entry get. Well, now I must change something in here. And entropy and well. I think I'm gonna A, B, C, and return V. ABC. Yeah. Maybe now I need. Um, we need. We need. We need. We need. Need. We need the a dot. 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 Yeah. If yeah. Okay. I just have to go here and URL width and height. So we pop that report equal width and height. Let me see. Go comparative Python URL. What is expected string? Expected string. Bytes like object, not string var. Main AV bytes like object. Must be a string or a number, not string var. Okay. Let's make it. Value for int base 10. What an integer is required. And perhaps finally we made it. Okay, so that's all. Now we got our little tiny window here. Let me make a little bigger. Root.geometry 400 for 400. So we can kind of customize it, and let me say I want to do shorter. There we go. So that's all for our little application here to make our screenshot. Let me put the default number here with our tiny little helper to make our site. Just press enter when you finish. So I'm gonna write it down here. I'm gonna put another label here down here. Lab2 equal tk dot label press enter to create the screenshot. Yes, and I need to lab2.pack. Okay, press enter to create a screenshot, and press enter, and I do it. That's all. Thank you, and see you next